In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create outline text in Squarespace. This step-by-step guide will help your website's typography stand out with a clean, stylish, outlined effect. Let's get started. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you use Google to sign in, just click Continue with Google. It's quick and saves you from remembering another password. Once you're logged in, select your website from the list. With your site open, navigate to the Pages section. This is where you manage and organize all of your site's content. Next, look for the Website Tools option. Inside, you'll find a variety of utilities to customize your site. The one we're interested in is Custom CSS. Go ahead and click on that to open the CSS editor. Now comes the fun part. To create the outline effect, you'll add a few lines of CSS code. A common method is using the property -webkit-text-stroke, or you can combine text-shadow for a more layered look. For example, you could write something like H1 color transparent WebKit text stroke 2 pixels black. This makes your headings transparent with a bold black outline. You can adjust the stroke size and color to match your design. Once you've added your code, don't forget the most important step. Save your changes. This ensures your outline text is applied site-wide wherever that CSS is referenced. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your text into a stylish outline that makes headings and key content pop on your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick web design tips and tutorials.